Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Tuesday, August 25th. I want to take a look here at Spotify. Now, this was an alert from this morning from the Momentum Options Alert service. You can see here it came out at 8:41 a.m. The setup was Spotify daily bull flag triggering above 540, so it was a long above 540. The initial target was 543 or 30%, whichever came first, and then trailed stops for runners, and you'd still be in those runners right now doing really good. But you can see this is how the trade played out. This is what the setup was that we were looking at. So Spotify had been consolidating here for a while. We popped that resistance last week. We pulled back and retested it, and then this set us up with this bull flag set up here. And if you look down at our super momentum was very strong. On the way up, we had bullish momentum climbing. Again, higher lows and we'll retest. Nice bottoming tail on Friday, and then consolidation bar yesterday, and then triggered today right at that 340 level. So it triggered, popped right up to that 343 first target, and has obviously gone quite a bit past that, all at 353 or so as we speak. Now, this has potential to continue to run. I do think we can see Spotify keep climbing, especially if we can close above 350 today, but this is kind of like the last line here in the sand that we need to get through around that 343 level. And now that we're through that, if we can stay above that 570, 570 should be on deck, and that would be the next pivot high up here. So overall, not a bad looking setup, not a bad trade this morning. Great job to everybody that's in the MOA, Momentum Options Alerts, that got into this with us. Again, it played out beautifully. Now we're looking for more upside in the coming couple of weeks, because this is technically a weekly breakout here, suggesting that this can continue to climb. Like I said, 570's next target, and then you're looking at a push to 600, which I do think we hit 600 in the next couple of weeks, assuming everything goes well with NVIDIA earnings tomorrow. But overall, again, not a bad trade. Great job to everybody that took it. If you're not a part of MOA, you can join Momentum Options Alerts. Just go to basecamptrading.com. If you want to join us in the trading room and get these kind of trades live, all you got to do is go to bctnow.com/join. There's a link down in the description. But that's it for today. Keep an eye on spot, though, for more upside in that $600 target coming up next. But that's it for now. Until next time, everybody, happy trading.